Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy LIX Onyx White. In this video we'll check if this mice has dedicated app. In order to check it, let's go to Endorfy website. Now go to support, firmware, go to mice and select LIX Onyx White. We can check also the model number on the back of the mice. Download the software, open it, and install. Let's check one more time. This is the code A010. Let's search for it. Here it is. As you can see, this mice has dedicated app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.